let's do Unit 4. Input devices. Type, click, and talk. Interacting with your computer. Input devices are the pieces of hardware which allow us to enter information into the computer. And for example, the keyboard, mouse, graphic tablet, touch screen, joystick, digital camera, light pen, barcode reader, webcam, scanner, microphone, touchpad, and trackball. Part B. The keyboard. A standard PC keyboard has various groups of keys, alphanumeric keys. These represent letters and numbers arranged as on a typewriter. A numeric keypad appears to the right of the main keyboard and contains numeric editing keys. The non-lock key is used to switch from numbers to editing function. Function keys appear at the top of the keyboard and can be programmed to do special jobs. Cursor key include arrow keys, which move the insertion point, and keys such as home and page up and page down, which lets you move around documents. Dedicated keys are used to issue commands or produce alternative characters. For example, Control changes the functions of other keys, e.g. Control plus X cuts the selected text. Caps lock. Set the keyboard in capitals mode. It only affects letters. Enter or return. It pressed to select option from a menu or to start a new paragraph. Backspace deletes the character to the left of your current position. And part C. A mouse is a handheld device that lets you move a pointer or cursor and select items on the screen. It has one or more buttons to communicate the PC. A scroll wheel lets you move through the documents or web pages. The pointer looks like a E-bar and a arrow or a pointing hand. An optical mouse has an optical sensor instead of a ball underneath. A cordless, wireless mouse has no cable. It sends data via infrared signals or radio waves. Mouse sections. To click, press and release the left button. To double click, press and release the left button twice. To drag, hold down the button, move the pointer to a new place and then release the button. To right click, press and release the right button. This action displays a list of commands. Part D. Voice input. Today you can also interact with your computer by voice with a voice recognition system that converts voice into text. So you can dictate text directly onto your word processor or email program. You can also control your PC with voice commands. This means you can launch programs, open, save, or print files. Some systems let you search the web or chat using voice instead of a keyboard. Exercises. 4.1. Look at the opposite. Which input device would you use for these tasks? Number 1. To play computer games, a joystick. To copy images from paper into a computer, a scanner. To read price labels in a shop, barcode reader. To select text and click on links on web pages, the mouse. To enter drawings and sketches into a computer, graphic table, tablet. To input voice commands and dictate text, microphone. To draw picture or select menu options directly on the screen, the light pen. To take and store pictures and then download them to a computer, the digital camera. 4.2. Complete each sentence by choosing from the following devices: touch screen, trackball, touchpad, and webcam. A trackball is a stationary device that works like a mouse turned upside down. You roll the ball with your hand to move the pointer on the screen. Interactive touch screen are used in museum information centers and internet kiosks. You use your finger to point directly to objects on the screen. A webcam is used to send live video games via internet. A touchpad is found on notebooks PC. You use it by pressing the sensitive pad with a finger. Exercise 4.3. Label the groups of keys with preterms from B opposite. Then identify the key described below. Alphanumeric. Dedicated keys, function keys, cursor keys, numeric keypad. Okay, 6. It produces uppercase letters, but it does not affect numbers and symbols, that is the caps locks. 7. It removes the character to the left of the cursor or any selected text, that is the backspace. 8. It works in a combination with other keys, e.g., you press this key and C to copy the selected text, that is the control key. And 9. It is used to confirm commands in a word processor. It creates a new paragraph, that is enter or return. Exercise 4.4. Look at C opposite. Complete these sentences with the correct mouse action. To start a program or open a document, you double-click on its icon, that is, you rapidly press and release the mouse button twice. 2. If you want to select a menu option, you just click on the left button. 3. If you want to find the commands for a particular text, image, etc., you have to right-click on it. And 4. If you want to move an object, press the button and drag the object to the desired location. It was Unit 4.